Have you ever found yourself in a sneezing fit, wondering if it is just a cold that will not quit or something more? It is a common question, and understanding the answer can make a big difference in how you feel. While frequent sneezing can certainly be a sign of allergies, it does not automatically mean you have them. Sneezing is your body's way of expelling irritants from your nasal passages, and many things, including colds, dust, or even bright lights, can trigger this reflex. The core reason allergies cause sneezing is an overreaction by your immune system to normally harmless substances called allergens. When you inhale pollen, dust mites, or pet dander, your body mistakenly identifies these as threats and releases histamines. These histamines then cause inflammation and irritation in your nasal lining, leading to symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. Distinguishing allergy sneezes from cold sneezes often comes down to context and accompanying symptoms. Allergy-related sneezing typically occurs in repetitive bursts and is often accompanied by itchy eyes, nose, or throat. Cold sneezes, on the other hand, are more often accompanied by a sore throat, body aches, or a fever, and usually resolve within 7 to 10 days. Additionally, allergy symptoms tend to persist as long as you are exposed to the allergen, sometimes for weeks or even months. An interesting insight is the concept of a allergic salute. This is a characteristic upward rub of the nose with the palm of the hand, often seen in children with chronic nasal itching due to allergies. Another key differentiator is seasonality. If your frequent sneezing consistently appears around the same time each year, like spring or fall, it strongly points towards seasonal allergies. Understanding the underlying causes of your frequent sneezing allows you to take targeted action. Whether it is managing environmental triggers, trying over-the-counter remedies, or seeking a professional diagnosis, knowing the why empowers you to find relief and improve your daily comfort.